Once again a warm welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn common English words and its translation in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Learn to speak 5 languages in one channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So yeah, without making any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, front. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. Samne. I repeat, samne. Now let's move on to Tamil. Munnal. So this was in Tamil. Next, in Telugu, mundu. Mundu. And in Kannada, munde or mundina. So you can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to number 2, exit. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Bahar nikalna. Bahar nikalna. In Tamil, veliyeru or veliye sellum vali. In Telugu, baitiki poye dari. And in Kannada, horagade hoguvudu or horage. So you can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to number 3. Next, covered. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. Darpok. Darpok. In Tamil, kolai. In Telugu, pirikivadu or dhairyam lenivadu. And in Kannada, hedi, which means covered. Now let's move on to number 4, fat. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. Mota. Mota. In Tamil, gundu. Gundu. In Telugu, lavu. And in Kannada, dappa. Dappa. Now let's move on to number 5, big. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Bada. Bada. In Tamil, periyadu. Periyadu. Let's move on to Telugu. Pedda or peddadi. In Kannada, doddadu. I repeat, doddadu, which means big in English. Next, number 6, agree. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Sehmat. Sehmat. In Tamil, oppukol. Let's move on to Telugu. Opko. Opko. And in Kannada, opputtene. Just a slight difference in the pronunciation. 7th one, deny. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Asvikar karna. Asvikar karna. In Tamil, maru. Maruppu therivikkirathu or maruttal. In Telugu, tiraskarinchu. And in Kannada, nirakarisu. Nirakarisu. Let's move on to next one. Join. Let's learn its translation in Hindi. Judna. Judna. In Tamil, sera or servadu. In Telugu, cherandi or cherinchu. And in Kannada, serisu. Serisu. Next one, number 9, responsibility. Let's learn to say this in Hindi. Zimmedari. Zimmedari. Now in Tamil, poruppu. Let's learn this in Telugu. Badhyata. And in Kannada, javabdari. Javabdari. So this was in Kannada for responsibility. So how was today's video? Was it interesting or informative? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch my channel's many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Stay connected to explore the journey of multiple language learning. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.